Well, I'm Dr. Lalit Kumar, Senior Vice President, Sulabh International, which is a brand name in the field of sanitation. I'm working there for the last 2.5 years. Before that, I was advisor, Planning Commission, and I was looking after mainly the voluntary sector. So today I'm very happy that SPO India has given awards to emerging NGOs. So there is somebody to hold their hands. It's very encouraging because it's a very challenging situation, and that way it's a very timely initiative taken by SPO India. I congratulate you for organizing this whole program successfully.
What are the new initiatives at Sulabh International that you are focusing on?
Dr. Bindeshwar Pathak, who started this journey from 1968, based on Gandhian principles, he brought social change, and erstwhile scavengers were given occupational, vocational training, and now they are on their feet, and recently they were made Brahmins. Dr. Pathak says that if you can become Namo Buddha or Christian or Muslim, why can't you move in the caste hierarchy? So they were trained in some Sanskrit shlokas, and now their occupation is clean. So they are now called Brahmins, new Brahmins in Alwar area. Anybody can meet them, and people are also okay. They are happy. So they say, yeah, you are neat and clean, and now you are knowledgeable. You travel all around. This is one, and then our forte is twin pit pore flush technology, which was invented by Dr. Pathak. So far, Sulabh has made 1.5 million household toilets and 9,000 community toilets. 200 of them are attached with biogas digester. So from that gas, we can lighten up, and cooking can be done, and that is being replicated. And about 21,000 school toilets have been built. So in addition to that, we are also working for the welfare of widows of Vrindavan and Varanasi. So these are some of the initiatives which are being further strengthened and scaled up.
What is the plan for FY 2017-18, and how can small NGOs be part of your umbrella?
Small NGOs, some of them, their representatives come to Sulabh campus, Sulabh Gram, they see our activities, and there are a lot of things to learn from Sulabh model, how to be on their own feet, how to be sustainable. So that's a unique model which Dr. Bindeshwar Pathak created. So if any small NGO wants to visit us, they are welcome, and there are interns also who come and visit for a week or 15 days. They are all welcome to Sulabh Gram.
You also work with majority of the government departments in a very big way. So,
No, I think the unique thing about Dr. Pathak, which I used to say before joining and even now, he has maintained very good relations with state governments and central government departments. Without government, you can't move beyond a point. So, not only that, we are also working with about 80 companies, PSUs, and सबका साथ सबका विकास, सबके साथ चल रहे हैं.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.